Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And what I want to do is tell you a little bit about myself and how I can help you. I am a single mom of two, and I've been able to generate a full-time income from home. If you are struggling with traffic, getting paid consistently, this is where you need to be. Because 3 years ago, that's where I was at, getting into multiple programs, spending a ton of money, and that became old quick, seeing that I have two kids and I'm a single mom. So fast forward, now I'm able to work from home, provide for my children, and I'm showing others how to do the same because someone took the time to show me how to quickly start earning from home and how to generate massive traffic, gaining results daily within my business. So if you can click on the description below, that will give you the information as far as what I'm doing today and how I can help you to become successful and start a home-based business. Thanks so much for viewing my video, and I'll see you on the inside.